Approximately 8.3 billion tons of plastic have been produced to date since it was first introduced in the 1950s. With less than 10% of global plastic waste being recycled, a great deal of the long-lasting material has amassed in both land and ocean environments. Plastic is increasingly dumped along with wet garbage and has accumulated in the environment, where it lasts for years as it cannot be biodegraded. In recent years, drone-based workflows have emerged in a number of sectors, highlighting the potential benefits to waste management. Drones, also known in the professional community as unmanned aerial vehicles, are essentially lightweight aircraft without a pilot on board. They can be remotely piloted or flown autonomously with software that works in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. The Geoinformatics Center and the Environmental Engineering and Management Program of the Asian Institute of Technology are jointly conducting research on plastic litter assessment using aerial drone visualization techniques. This type of technology can be used in practical situations like beach cleanup campaigns. Typically, this entails volunteer activities that take place on a regular basis along coastlines or river beaches around the world. Environmental groups, civil organizations, and individual beachgoers collect beach trash to make the beach a nicer, safer place, and also to improve the ecosystem. Using aerial drone visualization techniques, this type of cleanup activity can be planned earlier and predict the waste types and quantities. Using drones for waste management can help governments and waste management organizations monitor landfills, calculate airspace, deter littering, and other related activities. The research focuses on drone altitude assessment in plastic litter type identification, data evaluation for plastic cleanup activities, and simulating landfill mining for recovering plastic in different settings with several UAV technologies. Drone data benefits from the application of machine learning techniques that help to identify and estimate plastic pollution. These tools will play a major role in the future of plastic waste management.